This is datingvid.com, and these are the hottest girls in Austin. It's August 2nd, 2020, 7:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. We are filming the hottest pieces of ass in Austin. This is what I call the 1829 Club. You have to be within the ages of 18 to 29 to appear in these videos. If you do, congratulations, you've officially made it. You are one of the elect few, the chosen ones, and you are sexy. You are a great piece of ass, like Hannah here. Hannah's 22. She went to UT Austin, and she's fine as fuck. Yep, she's a hottie with a body. Pop that booty. Sarah. Yowza. Bree, we're just gonna give you the like, but you didn't deserve it. Graciela. Oh, she's a chubby chunker, but still does the job. Kate. Ooh, Kate's got a banging body. She's 5'1". Really pretty. Oh, and she's a cowgirl. Giddy up. Can't believe it. We've seen everyone. Is that even possible? Carla's 32 and 5'10". She's pretty. Uh-oh. She's one of the burners. Alright, we got an email or message on Tinder. See who this is. So I've already chatted with this bitch. I don't know why she's messaging me again. Damn. Another damn. She's so damn far away. I don't know why it matches with those people. So this is a fake one. This is what my friend wants me to. Maybe it's not fake. I don't know. A brainy bisexual. I like to come multiple ways. Damn, Rachel. Damn. Wow. Living that jet set lifestyle on that helicopter. Ooh, Elise. This is a fake one. Yeah. So, Elise XO. You know, it's got fucking thousands of people on Snapchat willing to chat to you. And then you just tell them all to send you $35 for an Uber ride and you'll come right over. Ketelin. Damn, girls. Jana. Super spicy. I'm new to the city. Been here about 2 years. I'm looking for people to take me around and tour me around. That's a pretty Indian girl. Whitney. Yeah, I've seen that chick already. Paula. I matched with that fatty a couple times. Damn, Emily's spicy. Megan is spicy too. I think I've matched with her though as a lesbian. On my lesbo phone. Katya. Yes, I love to vacation. I want to go on more vacation. You want to take me to Mexico? I've never been. I want to go. Sarah, flying high at 27. Oh, to be 27 again. Damn, we hit our limits. We matched with one fatty, 2 fatty, 3 fatty, 4 fatty, 4, 5 fatty, 6 fatty, 7 fatty more.